Hi, I'm Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. This is like my fifth take doing the intro because I am not satisfied. So I am sort of starting to move into my beauty room. Here's Harley. He's my little girl. Hi. Okay, go back to chewing on your bone. This video is going to be for my Everyday Glam series featuring only one palette, and tonight's palette is going to be a throwback to the Graveyard Girl by Tarte Swamp Queen palette. Here's what she looks like. And this is the look we're going to be creating. And just a fair warning, I'm a disaster. My room's a disaster. We're working on it. Enjoy the video. Okay, so I already have my face pretty much done. I've already been out for the night, so I had my makeup done. It might look a little whack if you can tell with, the resolution that I'm shooting in. Anyways, so let's go. Okay, so I'm going in with the blush shade. It's called Does This Thing Really Work? I'm going to use a stippling brush to put on my blush because that trick changed my life. And I use a kabuki brush that I glued onto an empty pill bottle for an elongated handle to blend out my powders. Now I'm going in on my eyes with the shade Big Baby all over my eyes for a base shade. Going in with my little e.l.f. clip light for some extra lighting because my lighting is garbage. I'm lying here. I'm lying. I'm not going in with mauve. I'm going in with orange. We're going in with Natural Peaches for a transition shade. Dump all those eye brushes out in front of me to see which one I'm looking for. Just a blender brush. And I sometimes like to go in with some of my transition shade on my blender brush just to blend it out with some color and add to the look a little bit. Alright, I'm taking a crease brush. My camera does not focus up close, so can't tell you what that is. Going in with the shade Dogman in my crease. gonna swatch out some shades just to make a decision. And I'm gonna go in with Sassy Bun on the lid. Yeah, I was gonna say, girl, aren't you gonna blend a little bit? There we go. Who am I not blending my eyeshadow? Gotta blend in that crease before I go in on the lid. Now we're going in on the lid with Sassy Bun. I'm going back in with Dog Man, darkening the crease a little bit. Or I should say emphasizing the crease a little more. Cracking my neck. I'm going in with a little smudger brush underneath my eye with some more Dog Man. I'm going back in with some Natural Peaches just to blend out my under eye shade. For mascara, I am using the Benefit They're Real mascara in the brown shade. And that beverage I'm drinking is by Hum Beauty, or Hum Nutrition. And they're Tahitian vanilla vitamin powder stuff. It's really good mixed in with almond milk. Got some of those good skin vitamins in it. And Lord knows my skin needs those vitamins. Just gonna dust away some extra powder that fell, some of that fallout. And we're gonna highlight with Gator Wings. And girl, I was shook. I was so shook at this highlight. And there's your puppy, that's Harley. And I'm gonna prime my lips with my ColourPop Lippy Primer.
Like I said, my lighting is garbage. My camera was very cheap, so as much as I'm gonna try to show you what I'm using, it's not gonna work. It's never gonna work unless I get a better camera. But I love this lippy primer. And for lipstick, I'm going in with the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick, and I believe this is Pumpkin Pie. We're going to set with Skindinavia Bridal Setting Spray. This smells awful, but it is the best setting spray I've ever used in my life. Okay, so here is the finished look. I gotta voice over this part too because my camera microphone is awful. So we're just gonna zoom in here a little bit on this look. Give you some cheesy poses. And do that weird lifting my eyebrow thing because with my hooded eyes, you can't see my eye look unless I do that. Okay, so that is my everyday glam look using the Swamp Queen palette by Graveyard Girl and Tarte. I will insert an Instagram selfie here. Okay, so that's that. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!